Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide. In this video, I'm going to tell you what can we do when Twitter says we cannot verify your credentials. In this scenario, you can do very easy thing. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. So whenever you are logging in into your Twitter account, but Twitter keeps saying that we cannot verify your credentials again and again. In that scenario, just simply go into this page and click to this forgot password tab, and into there just simply enter either your email address, phone number or username, and then it will give the option to send an email to the email address and send a code into the phone number. Just simply select the option that is suitable for you, then click to next button. After that, just simply enter the verification code into here and then click to next button. Then you can create the new password for your account and click to change password. Then after doing that, your account will successfully be logged in. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.